Hey guys, wasn't planning on making a video on this, but since it was kind of a pain in the ass, I figured I'd go ahead and do it. So I'm replacing this shitty Moen faucet. If you guys are doing the same, you already know now that the design of this thing is just so terrible that the water just keeps leaking down the hose no matter what into underneath your sink, and nobody wants that, right? So, when you buy a new house like I did with this and you go to install a new one and the person doesn't leave you the damn tool to take off the nut on the back here, it could be quite a pain to get up there if you don't have deep well sockets or anything. So I was going through all my tools trying to figure out how to do this without cutting it. Couldn't get a little sawzall in there or anything, but I do happen to work on cars a little bit, so I happen to have a 7/8 oxygen sensor wrench. And that was just deep enough to get on there, and it fit on that nut and loosen this up. So perfect depth, perfect size, and it got in between everything else. So if you don't have the tool, it is a 7/8, and I'm letting you know that that oxygen sensor wrench will help you out with that. So, figured I'd give you the easy tip instead of sitting here for over an hour trying to figure out how to get that taken care of. Also, real quick, if you're doing this, I was also trying to figure out how to release this clasp. When you got your hose going around here. This was snapped into here like so. So obviously that's going to come off before you can get to that washer up there. I was messing around with this side of it until I decided to, go to this back side and just push on this, and it popped right out. So before you take tools to this and start beating the crap out of it and break it, this one's got a nice just push button and it pops right out. So there's a couple different ways that I've seen those. Usually have some kind of clips, but that's the way this one comes apart. And like I said, get that 7/8 open wrench up in there, you'll be good to go.